chocolate, which I just made. I used 1 tablespoon of the Valrhona cacao powder. Then I used 2, so another tablespoon of cinnamon sugar. Then in the cup, I used about a small finger, the equivalent of the thickness of your pinky, of maple syrup. And when I mixed the cinnamon sugar with the hot chocolate mixture, I also added some sprinkles to give a bit more the chocolatey sensation. Then the milk I used, of 200 ml approximately of milk I used is the low-fat milk. So that I used the natural intrinsic sugars of the milk, which is lactose, and there's less fat, but it is not, you can choose to add the cinnamon sugar. If you don't want to add cinnamon sugar, you can just add cinnamon. But however, if you use the cinnamon pure, it's gonna be very dominant. And then the maple syrup, the idea of the maple syrup is because it gives that autumn flavor, that autumn sensation, and it's warming. The spice is also, the cinnamon is also to kind of welcome the cold season. So spices kind of gives that warmth feeling. And since we're getting closer to autumn and the amount of light during the day is much shorter, so it's always nice to have a nice comfort warm drink. So for me personally, hot chocolate is my comfort drink, and I have a variety. At Halloween I add marshmallows, at Christmas it's more cinnamon focused, and during autumn it's usually a warm kind of mapley cinnamon combination. And yes, I hope you will enjoy this hot chocolate if you do make it. Now I'm going to drink a little bit of it. Now this is a hot chocolate I could have for a lifetime. It's so delicious and it's so nicely warm and comforting. Now, yes, I hope you will try it out. You can also make your own variation of hot chocolate. I am very curious if you come out with different variation, or if you use it instead of milk, you use a non-dairy alternative. Would be nice to know which one you use. And yes, so for me, this is my comfort drink. Tomorrow is the chocolate cake, and yeah, enjoy!